In this video, we are going to look at how to make the stitch knit two together. So we're going to start with our stockinette sample, and I'm just going to knit the first 2 stitches like normal. And now let's take a look at our featured stitch, which is knit 2 together. So I'm going to take those 2 stitches and knit them together. And that's it. That's the whole thing. You scoop 2 stitches with your working needle and knit them both at the same time. Okay, let's look at it again. If a regular knit is 1 stitch, we're just going to do 2 stitches. So I come over, I'm scooping 2 loops, I'm wrapping the working yarn, and I'm pulling it through both loops. And in doing so, I have turned 2 stitches into 1 stitch. We're back on the right side of our fabric, and we're going to look at that again. In this sample, I knit the first 2 stitches like normal. So there's a knit and a knit. And now we're going to decrease. So I take those 2 stitches, I scoop them up with the working needle, pull the working yarn through, and off the needle it comes. And in doing so, I turn those 2 stitches into 1 stitch, thereby decreasing the number of stitches in that row or on that round. And we'll do it again here. So I know what your question is. Your question is, why on earth would we want to do this? Well, we use stitches like knit 2 together for shaping. And it's very commonly seen in the crown decreases of a hat. So let's look at this decrease on this hat. On this sample, we use decreasing stitches to create the shape of the crown. On that side, we have the knit 2 together. On this side, we use something else. But I want you to notice that this is a right leaning stitch. This side is a left leaning stitch. A right leaning, and that's our knit 2 together. Okay, let's look at our sample a little more closely and identify those right-leaning stitches. And there you can see it. Tug down a little bit. There's the right-leaning decrease. And that is how you do knit 2 together.